Hey there, it's another edition of the 7-Figure Boss Show. In this show, we have conversations with 7, 8, 9, 10 figure under 40 CEOs who come here to share their inspiring stories and also tell us how their smartphone have been instrumental to their success. They don't just stop there, they go right on to teaching us how we can start or get into their very line of business using just our smartphone. Are you excited already? Let's jump right in. Today on the 7-Figure Boss Show, we have a young man who moved from having 0 in his account to 7 figures in less than 2 months just by selling other people's products. He's not even the one that created them. And that is why I always say that we live in an awesome era in a lifetime where anyone from anywhere, regardless of your academic background, regardless of how old you are, or even regardless of your current financial status, can reach any level of financial success just using your smartphone. And today I am going to prove it again in this interview with Frank Egon.
All right, thank you, Frederick, for having me on the show. My name is Frank Egon. I'm an internet marketer and the founder of Wealth Africa. I'm also an affiliate marketer also. Thank you.
Wow, that was a nice one. So the next question says, what is the drive behind your 7-figure affiliate marketing? Please tell us how you started.
All right, what is the drive? The drive behind my affiliate marketing business was, I started around ending of January. So, and during those periods, I was really having a serious issue with my e-commerce business. The Facebook ban was something else, so I had to switch. I had to find a strong financial stream to street because I really had a financial goal to hit, and everything was just going haywire. So mainly I saw affiliate marketing. I saw my friend talk about it. I had to just jump in immediately because money loves speed. I just had to move into the business immediately. So the drive was the financial income, okay, and a financial freedom. I really needed to be free so I can pursue my passions.
Wow, you see, information. It is in the information you took an action on that can change your life. Knowledge is just a piece of information that you have in your head, but wisdom is the application of that information. The application of knowledge is wisdom. Wisdom is not by reading millions of books or learning hundreds of things from different people. Wisdom is in the action. Awesome. So, in your own words, what is affiliate marketing?
All right, so affiliate marketing is basically recommending digital products to a consumer that is in desperate need of it. Let's say you want to know how to grow your business through Facebook ads. So, and I know a perfect course for you. I give it to you. You use it. It makes you a lot of money in your business. I get my commission. Everybody goes home happy. So that's basically what affiliate marketing is all about. Helping people and getting a commission for helping.
That's a nice one. How much can one make in a day, in a week, or in a month, or even annually as an affiliate marketer?
Okay, how much can one make in a day? There are days I've made over 200k. I've made 500k in a day. So there is no limit to how much you can make in a day in affiliate marketing. It's limitless, and it's digital products, so it's something that is very, very scalable. So there is no limit you can make in a day, but at least you can start with making 10 to 20k per day, then you can scale up. Okay.
Is it possible to get started in affiliate marketing with just my smartphone? And if yes, please share step-by-step ways of getting started in affiliate marketing with just my smartphone.
All right, yeah, it's very possible to get into affiliate marketing with just your smartphone because my smartphone has really helped me a lot in my affiliate marketing business. I've used my smartphone for a very long time. I've not really used my laptop, so it's very, very possible to start your affiliate marketing business with just your smartphone.
So this is the smartphone business. Yes, we've been talking about since we've entered the possibility of getting started in the business with a smartphone. So we entered the smartphone business questions. So the next question, Mr. Frank, is how has your smartphone contributed to your seven-figure business? And also share 3 applications you use for the daily management of your affiliate marketing business.
Yeah, my smartphone has helped me a lot. I've gotten leads from Facebook. I've gotten leads from Twitter. My smartphone, my color note has helped me write down content ideas to post. So it's very, very possible to start your affiliate marketing with just your phone. And you just need your phone to sign up to the affiliate marketing platform. So basically, you need your phone to run the business flawlessly. My top 3 apps: WhatsApp, Gmail, and Telegram. Yeah, WhatsApp, Gmail, and Telegram. If you want me to add some more, I will now add Facebook and Twitter. Okay.
And finally, what is your advice? Well, not finally, second to finally, what is your advice to young people out there who are interested in getting started in affiliate marketing as an expert? And also share with us ways through which we can contact you for help in getting started in affiliate marketing.
The advice I have for anyone that wants to start affiliate marketing business is that the business is really profitable. Okay, it's a very profitable business. So, but then I would really advise you to get a mentor for yourself. Get into a circle. Okay, don't do it alone. You're gonna make a lot of mistakes. So that is it. It's very, very vital. You can reach out to me. My handles, my Twitter handle, Coach Frank Egon. You can reach out to me there. My Facebook, Frank Egon. My Facebook group, Wealth Africa. Okay, you can reach out to me. Then we can port to WhatsApp. Thank you very much for having me on the show, Frederick. I really appreciate it.
And that's a wrap on today's edition of the 7-Figure Boss Show. Today we have a conversation with Mr. Frank Egon, a 7-figure affiliate marketing expert who came to share with us how you and I can also get started in affiliate marketing business with just our smartphone. Did you enjoy this interview? You might want to watch more interviews I've had in the past with other 7-figure bosses, and then subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss the future interviews I will be having right here on my channel. My name is Frederick. Thanks for joining me today. See you on the next one.